My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix position when scrolling in Figma. So guys, if you want to fix the position when you are scrolling in the Figma, so guys, it is very easy, but you remember one 3-4 things before creating an image. First of all guys, when you're creating a prototype, first of all you select your screen perfectly according to your project. So guys, here you see there is a option that you can select. When you click here, so you also select the frame, section and slices. But if you have particular any project, so you just click here, and here you see the models, even tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, paper, all of these things are shows here. Okay, so you simply click on here. Now guys, here you see this is my complete frame. Now for this, if I want to add multiple elements in it with the scrolling functionality, first of all you go and here I'm go for draw something in it. For this, here you see I'm just draw a one circle, and if you want to give the name, so you just go here and right click on it, and here you see the option of rename. Okay, then here you see when if I want the scrolling property, so when I draw the another element in this, so make sure it is overflow from your diagram, because guys scrolling property is always the overflow. Now guys, here you see when I put it into the frame and I'm going into the prototype, so guys here you see there is a no scrolling. Like here first time choose the frame, then here you see that currently it is show no scrolling. When I go here and put it my out of the frame, so I'm go for the prototypes, then I select my frame and select for the scrolling it in the horizontal direction. If you get the more settings, so go for the properties and you can the live preview of your project. And even if you are confused that where is my design, so you just go here, go it and you just colored it. Okay, now here you see this is your overflow property, this is the main screen, and this is your scroll property. Here is this is under the screen, and after that after scrolling it shows here. Okay, like this. So this is the way that guys you can do. And if you want to get more things, so guys you watch a professional video, but in this video I am just explain how you can use this property in your prototype design. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.